All right, here's these beauties I found today. $7.99, Salvation Army, in pretty good shape. I'm gonna try to sand down the tops and clean them up a little bit and reupholster the seats and clean up the metal. So let's see how it goes. Okay, I sanded the top with a 120 and a 340 block. Turned out pretty good. It got rid of all the bumps and scratches and nicks that were in it. I think what I'm gonna do is apply a poly just to bring it back to its shine. Okay, here's the results after sanding, applying a coat of poly, sanding a little more, and then another coat. The wood looks so good. I'm totally obsessed with it. The supplies I used to reupholster the seat was 1-inch pieces of foam from Walmart. They were about $11 each. I got 2 of those, 1 for each seat. And then a can of spray adhesive, that was about $5. And then some polyfill to cover the whole seat. I took the spray adhesive and sprayed it onto the seat base and then put the foam on top and let it dry. And then we took the polyfill and we wrapped it around the whole seat, and it really helped smooth out the edges. And we stapled that down. And then we took the fabric and wrapped it around as well and stapled it down. We should have cut the fabric a little more. We had way too much fabric on the bottom, so it made it a little difficult to fold the corners. Okay, I finished the chairs. They turned out so good. I'm obsessed with them. I posted them on Facebook Marketplace and then deleted it about an hour later because I decided I wanted to keep them because I love them so much. So here they are. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you're as obsessed as I am with these chairs, and stick around for more projects to come. Bye!